Alright guys, I'm back here with another one. Just giving you guys a little update on my car. Yeah, I changed my hood to the OEM one because I'm getting the Carbon Fiber one resprayed, so that one's ready. I'm gonna install it, but I'm just gonna rock this hood for a little bit. I kind of like how it looks, you know, gives it the whole half black, half white look, kind of like complete. I dig it. But yeah, just gives it that look, nice half and half look. I also went ahead and wrapped my wheels from this side black, if you guys could see. It has like flakes on it. And I did the rear one too, only this side. So I want it to be half black, half white. So I just wanted to give it a different look. And the newest addition to my car, right here, Street Arrow rear diffuser on my G35 coupe. And I also have the top secret diffuser on, so it's actually two diffusers in one. I'm currently probably the first one to do this. If I'm not, correct me in the comments. But yeah, this is how she's sitting now. I really dig in this diffuser. It makes it stand out a bit more. I ordered some side splitters. They're on their way. It should finish up the look and make it look, you know, flow with the rear diffuser. Now that I have this one, the splitters that I'm gonna put on, gonna have a little flare going up, and it's gonna look clean. But yeah, this is what my car is looking like right now. So far, I also installed some high flow cats, and we're gonna test that out today. Have a little rev session, see if I could shoot some flames or something. And yeah, here's how she's looking. Remember, once I put on the side splitters, it's gonna make the car look better with this diffuser, because right now it has things on it. So with that side splitter is gonna make it look super clean. Yeah. Gang, gang. But yeah, this is how she's looking. This is how she's sitting. You guys want to see my engine bay? So I currently just made the engine bay all black, since my car's black this side, but I don't like the white, so I just left that white a little bit of, didn't cover that a little bit. But yeah, this is how she's looking. Super clean, nice black look to it. Really dig this carbon on that black. Like I said, I just installed some high flow cats, so we'll see how that goes today. I'm gonna do some revs and some pulls. And I also did part of my interior black, if you guys could see. I did black in the center. But yeah, here it is. I didn't finish it, but it's almost done. I didn't really want to do the full interior black because my seats are like black and tan and stuff, so it kind of flows with it. It's also something I did extra. But guys, let me know what you guys think about this diffuser. I am really digging it. 101 diffuser. Super aggressive. As you guys can see, with the black with the here's my passenger, my buddy. But we shall go out and have some fun, do some pulls, and see how it goes. Alright guys, just picking up where I left off last night. It was kind of dark where I was at, so I couldn't really see what was going on with my car and all the things I did to it. But here it is. Like I said, I half wrapped my hood, the OEM hood, and I am putting back my carbon one soon. And as you can see, I have black wheels on this side. I just wrapped them black so it could match with the whole black side. And I also added this diffuser to the rear bumper. Big shout out to Street Arrow for sponsoring me and hooking me up with this diffuser. There it is. This is in the daytime because last night it was pretty dark. I'm not sure if the camera got it good, but this is how she looking now. Looking good. The diffuser and the bumper. Like I said, big shout out to Street Arrow right there. It's my sponsor, hooking me up with that diffuser. And like I said, I actually have two diffusers on right now. I have the Top Secret and the Street Arrow one combined to one because this bumper is an aftermarket bumper and these diffusers are meant to fit the stock bumper, but I custom made it to fit. As you can see, there is the Top Secret one right there and Street Arrow right there, and then I put that third brake line on with my single exit. You guys could get a better look of it. And yeah, right now I'm gonna take it out and do some test revs and test pulls so you guys could see it in the daytime. Alright. And I also forgot to show you guys my trunk setup. I actually fixed up my trunk setup, my air system. Here it is. So I put my air tank across and my management straight up because I like the lines going in from the bottom, not all causing pressure and shit. But that's my trunk setup. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about it. I really dig it. This is how she looking. And I'll get back to you guys in a bit. But yeah, check that out. Infamous BQs. And also I'm gonna show you guys in the daytime how my engine bay looks, because at night I don't know if it was picking up anything, but basically everything was white before because my car is white, pearl white. So I just went ahead and did the best of I could, and went ahead and got this all black with my custom little filter. So now that's how it looks. It looks, for me, I like it. I mean, it's nothing major, but it makes a difference. It makes the engine bay look cleaner, in my opinion. I know the sun's hitting the camera really bad, but